Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to get the most out of your car and keep it running smoothly for years to come, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a maintenance step that's often overlooked but incredibly important: tire rotation. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just starting to learn about vehicle care, understanding tire rotation can make a big difference in your driving experience and your wallet. Tire rotation might sound technical, but it's actually a straightforward process that anyone can learn. By simply moving your tires from one position to another at regular intervals, you can help them wear more evenly. This simple act can save you a significant amount of money over time, and more importantly, it can keep you and your passengers safer on the road. You might wonder if it's really worth the effort, but let's break it down. Tires are a major investment for any car owner, and they're the only part of your vehicle that actually touches the road. Rotating your tires is one of the easiest and most effective ways to extend their lifespan, improve your car's performance, and avoid unexpected expenses down the line. Plus, it's a great way to get familiar with your vehicle and spot any potential issues before they become serious problems. Here's the deal. Front and rear tires don't wear out at the same rate. The front tires handle most of the steering, braking, and in many cars, the engine's power. This means they're under more stress and tend to wear down faster than the rear tires. If you leave your tires in the same position for too long, you'll notice uneven tread wear, which can lead to a rougher ride and even compromise your safety. If you don't rotate your tires regularly, you'll find yourself replacing them much sooner than necessary. And let's face it, buying new tires isn't cheap. The cost can add up quickly, especially if you have to replace all four at once. By rotating your tires, you're spreading out the wear and making sure each tire gets used evenly, which means you'll get the most mileage out of every set. Even tire wear isn't just about saving money, it's also about safety. When your tires wear evenly, your car handles better, especially in challenging conditions like rain or snow. You'll notice improved traction, more responsive steering, and shorter braking distances. This can make a huge difference when you need to stop suddenly or navigate slippery roads, helping you avoid accidents and drive with confidence. On the flip side, uneven tires can cause all sorts of problems. You might feel vibrations in the steering wheel, hear strange noises, or even notice your car pulling to one side. Over time, this can affect your car's alignment and suspension, leading to more expensive repairs. Rotating your tires helps prevent these issues and keeps your ride smooth and comfortable. The best part? Tire rotation doesn't take much time. Setting aside just an hour every few months is all it takes to protect your investment and ensure a safer, smoother ride. It's a small commitment that pays off in a big way, both in terms of performance and peace of mind. And don't worry if you're new to car maintenance. We'll walk you through every step, from gathering the right tools to understanding the best rotation pattern for your specific vehicle. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident and ready to tackle tire rotation on your own, or at least know what to ask for at your next service appointment. We'll cover everything you need to know, including essential tools, important safety checks, and how to choose the right rotation pattern for your car's make and model. You'll also learn how to spot signs of uneven wear and when it's time to rotate your tires. So let's get started and give your car the care it deserves. With just a little effort, you'll enjoy a safer, more comfortable drive and save money in the long run. Tire rotation is a simple habit that pays off every mile you travel. Before you get started with your tire rotation, it's important to gather all the right tools and equipment. Having everything ready and within reach not only makes the job easier, but it also keeps you safe and helps you avoid unnecessary delays or mistakes. Think of this as setting the stage for a smooth, efficient process, just like a chef prepping ingredients before cooking. The first must-have is a hydraulic trolley jack. This tool is designed to safely lift your car off the ground, giving you access to the wheels. But remember, lifting the car is only half the job. You'll also need at least 2 jack stands to support the vehicle once it's raised. If you have 4 jack stands, that's even better. It allows you to lift and secure the entire car, making the rotation process much easier and safer. Safety is absolutely critical. Never, under any circumstances, work under a car that's supported only by a jack. Jacks can fail or slip, but jack stands are designed to hold the weight of your vehicle securely. Always double-check that your car is stable before you get to work. Next, you'll need a lug wrench. While most cars come with a basic one in the trunk, a 4-way lug wrench or a breaker bar gives you much better leverage, making it easier to loosen stubborn lug nuts. This can save you a lot of frustration, especially if the nuts are over-tightened or rusted in place. Don't forget a torque wrench. This tool is essential for tightening your lug nuts to the manufacturer's recommended specification. Over-tightening can damage your wheels or studs, while under-tightening can be dangerous. A torque wrench ensures you get it just right every time. Wheel chocks or even sturdy wooden blocks are another key safety item. Place them behind the tires that will stay on the ground to prevent your car from rolling while you work. This simple step adds an extra layer of protection and peace of mind. Protect your hands with a good pair of work gloves. They'll shield you from sharp edges, hot surfaces, and grime. And don't forget a mat, piece of cardboard, or even an old blanket to kneel on. This makes working on your car much more comfortable, especially if you're on a hard driveway or garage floor. The good news is, most of these tools are affordable and easy to find at any auto parts store or online. In fact, you might already have some of them in your garage or trunk. Investing in these basics pays off, since you'll use them for many other car maintenance tasks down the road. With these essentials gathered and organized, you're well on your way to a safe, smooth, and successful tire rotation. Taking a few minutes to prepare now will save you time and hassle later. So before you even touch your car, lay out your gear, check that everything is in good working order, and make sure you have enough space to work comfortably. Now that you're equipped with the right tools and knowledge, let's move on to prepping your workspace for the job ahead. Safety first. Before you even think about lifting your car or grabbing a tool, make sure you're dressed for the job. Put on a pair of sturdy gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Safety goggles are a must to shield your eyes from dust, debris, or any unexpected splashes. If you have steel-toed boots, wear them. They'll protect your feet if you drop a tool or part. Taking a few moments to gear up can make all the difference in preventing injuries and ensuring you're ready for anything. Always work on a flat, solid surface, never on grass or a slope. A level driveway, garage floor, or even a flat section of asphalt is ideal. Uneven ground can cause your jack or stands to shift, putting you and your car at risk. Take a moment to check the ground for oil spills or loose gravel and clear away anything that could make your workspace unstable. Park your car, set the handbrake, and put it in park or first gear. This keeps your car from rolling unexpectedly while you're working. If you drive a manual, first gear is best. For automatics, make sure it's in park. Double check that the handbrake is fully engaged before you move on. Use wheel chocks on the wheels, staying on the ground. Place them snugly against the tires to prevent any movement. Even if your driveway seems flat, chocks add an extra layer of security, especially when you're lifting one end of the car. Check your owner's manual for the correct jacking points and lug nut torque specs. Every car is different, and using the wrong spot can damage your frame or suspension. The manual will also tell you how tight to make your lug nuts when you put the wheels back on, which is crucial for safety. Using the wrong spot can damage your car or cause the jack to slip. Always double-check the diagram in your manual, and if you're unsure, look for reinforced metal areas under the car. Never place the jack under plastic trim or thin metal, it won't hold the weight. Make sure you have enough space to move around the vehicle. Clear away bikes, boxes, or anything else that could trip you up. You'll need room to maneuver tools, parts, and yourself safely. Good lighting is also important. If your garage is dim, set up a work light so you can see what you're doing. Keep your manual handy throughout the process. You might need to refer back to it for torque specs, jacking points, or other details as you go. Having it within arm's reach saves time and helps you avoid mistakes. Double-check that your tools are within reach. Lay out everything you'll need: jack, stands, wrenches, sockets, and any specialty tools before you start. This way, you won't have to scramble for a missing tool while your car is in the air. Take a moment to plan your moves. Rushing leads to mistakes. Think through each step, from lifting the car to lowering it back down. If you're unsure about anything, look it up or ask for help. Preparation is key to a smooth, safe job. These simple steps set you up for a safe, successful job. Taking the time to prepare your workspace and your car means you can focus on the task at hand, knowing you've minimized risks. Now let's get your car in the air. With everything ready, you're set to lift the vehicle safely and confidently. Ready? Let's lift. Take it slow, keep an eye on the jack and the car, and remember, preparation is the foundation of every successful repair. Time to lift. First, loosen each wheel's lug nut slightly while the car is still on the ground. Position your jack at the correct jacking point and lift the car until the tire is a few inches off the ground. Place a jack stand under the frame and lower the car onto it. Never rely on the jack alone. Repeat for the other side if needed. Give the car a gentle push to check stability. It shouldn't move. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts and keep them safe. Remove the wheels. Take your time. Safety is everything. If anything feels unstable, lower the car and reposition. With the car secure and wheels off, you're ready for the rotation. Let's swap those tires. Now for the swap. Before removing, mark each tire with chalk for its new position. This avoids confusion. Pull each tire straight off, lifting with your legs. Inspect the tread for uneven wear and check visible brake parts. Move each tire to its new spot according to your rotation pattern. Align the wheel with the studs and push it on until flush. Hand tighten the lug nuts. Don't use tools yet. Repeat for all tires, working methodically. Take your time. Accuracy matters more than speed. All wheels in place? Great, let's talk rotation patterns. The right rotation pattern depends on your car's drivetrain. For front-wheel drive, move front tires straight back, rear tires to opposite front sides, forward cross. For rear-wheel or four-wheel drive, rear tires go straight forward, front tires to opposite rear sides, rearward cross. All-wheel drive, use the X pattern swap front left with rear right and front right with rear left. Your owner's manual will confirm the best pattern for your car. Following the right pattern ensures even wear and longer tire life. Mark and move each tire accordingly. Now let's finish the job and get your car back on the road. 10. Time to lower your car and tighten everything up. Use the jack to lift the car just enough to remove the jack stands, then lower it gently. With the wheels on the ground, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern using your lug wrench. This ensures the wheel seats evenly. Now grab your torque wrench and tighten each lug nut to the manufacturer's spec. Listen for the click. That's your cue to stop. Go around each wheel twice to double check. Proper tightening is crucial for safety. All done? Your wheels are secure and ready to roll. 12. Tire rotation isn't a one-time job. Make it a habit. Most manufacturers recommend rotating every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or with every oil change. If you drive in tough conditions, stick to the lower end of that range. Watch for signs like uneven tread or steering wheel vibrations. These mean it's time to rotate. Always check your owner's manual for your car's specific schedule. Consistency is key for long tire life and better performance. Set reminders so you don't forget. Regular rotation saves money and keeps you safer. 10. You did it! Tire rotation is now part of your skill set. Even tire wear means safer driving, better handling, and more money in your pocket. Remember, always use jack stands, tighten lug nuts in a star pattern, and use a torque wrench. The first time takes longer, but you'll get faster with practice. Stay proactive. Your car and wallet will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more car care tips. Now, check your mileage and schedule your next rotation. Happy motoring!